To Sinakal family, thank you for allowing me to join in your activity. And I have a message to my friend, my beloved friend here in Thailand. She's very cute, kind, and generous since I'm here, and she is Rodilen Verador. Happy birthday, girl! I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Because of you, I'm here, and yes, you are my inspiration. And salamat talaga sa lahat ng mga kabaitan mo. Thank you talaga. Salamat. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Wish you more luck. God bless, good health, and wish also that magkaroon ka ng boyfriend. Wow! Huwag kang mag-ano dyan. Huwag kang iimik-imik dyan, ha. Bahala ka na. Basta, yun na yun. Magkakaroon ka ng ano. Tapos, salamat talaga kay Tita Glory, sa lahat-lahat ng Sinakal family. Thank you sa lahat. Merry Christmas. Hindi ko ma-express kung paano kita pasasalamatan. Thank you. Merry Christmas.